Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I have another nail art tutorial. Start with a base coat. I am painting my pinky and pointer finger with a light green color and my ring finger, middle finger, and thumb with white. You can of course choose whatever colors you would like for this design. Next, I'm using a plastic lid as a palette and I'm putting the colors I'm using for the design on this. I'm using a light yellow, light green, and light blue. Now I'm taking a small brush and creating an X-like shape across the nail. I started kind of in the middle of the nail and then connected it both ends. And then I of course drew the same thing on the other side, and I started with blue color. With my second color, I'm just kind of going in between those lines, I guess. It's hard to explain, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm kind of making a somewhat triangle shape in each area. Next, I'm taking my last color and I'm filling in all the rest of the white area. Once you're finished, you can go back in with any of the colors you feel like you need to fix the design. When your design is dry, apply a top coat and clean up around the nails using a small brush and nail polish remover. I really hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any requests for videos in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!